What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome in new video. So the pre-order of the iPhone 13 series, the new colors is starting today. We will pre-order together the new iPhone 13 Pro Max alpine green. But before we start, don't miss to put a like for the video and subscribe for the channel. Today is 11 March, it's the day of the pre-order iPhone 13 Pro Max Alpine Green. It's the device that we will pre-order. First of all, we will go to apple.com. First thing, we will have iPhone 13 Pro. We will click on shop. After that, we will choose iPhone 13 Pro Max. Here there is the colors. We will choose the Alpine Green. Like you see, the pre-order is starting now. For the storage, we will choose 128 GB. Here I will choose connect on your own later. I don't have an iPhone to trade in. I'll choose one-time payment. And last thing, I don't want Apple Care Plus. This is it. Add to bag. And next step, we will check our bag to continue the payment. Like you've seen here, we click to review bag, check out. And this is it. We will put our payment information. This is it. It's really easy and fast. The pre-order of the iPhone 13 Pro Max Alpine Green. The shipping will take 7 days, and we will make another unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max Alpine Green. This is it, friends. I hope that you like the video. In the end, don't miss to put a like, subscribe in our channel to have all the news. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.